Okay guys, this is 2018 Lexus LS 500 all-wheel drive. Send you from Real Deal Auto. This is a rebuilt title, had some front end damage, pretty light, no airbags went off. Bumper had a little damage on the hood, wasn't too deep. It's got good Michelin tires on there. This does have the premium package on it, which has the massage seats, $41,103 on the miles, adaptive cruise, navigation. There's your rear heated seats. So heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel there. All the other options here. It does have 2 keys. This is a little touch screen. Has the window, the rear window shade, obviously sunroof. There's all your drive controls, snow mode. So, power folding mirrors with the blind spots in there. Heated seats. Let's see the rear window shade control up and down here. That odometer doesn't blink normally. That's just the refresh rate of the camera. Power lift gate. Manual there. Those lights, they have the cool LED lights there. Look good. Again, those don't blink normally. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.